So welcome students. In this question you're given that cos A minus B is equal to minus 3 by 5 and tan A tan B is equal to 2. Then which of the following options are right? Cos A cos B is equal to 1 by 5. Sin A sin B is equal to minus 2 by 5. Cos of A plus B is equal to minus 1 by 5. None of this. So first let us try to analyze this. Cos of A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is equal to 3 by 5. And let us try to analyze the second information. Tan A tan B is equal to 2. That means sin A sin B by cos A cos B is equal to 2. This implies if I cross multiply this, sin A sin B is equal to 2 cos A cos B. Can I write this? Yes. So if I substitute sin A sin B is equal to 2 cos A cos B in this. So sin A sin B can be substituted with 2 cos A cos B. So cos A cos B plus 2 cos A cos B is 3 cos A cos B is equal to 3 by 5. This implies cos A cos B is equal to 1 by 5. So option A is right. Now if cos A cos B is equal to 1 by 5, obviously sin A sin B is equal to 2 times cos A cos B. So 2 times 1 by 5 is plus 2 by 5. So the second option is wrong. Now once you have cos A cos B and sin A sin B, what is cos of A plus B? So cos of A plus B is nothing but cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B is 1 by 5 minus of sin A sin B is 2 by 5. That is equal to minus 1 by 5. So option C is also right. So options A and C are the right answers for this question. Thank you.